How to log out of all devices on Snapchat. In this video, I will show you how you can log out of all devices on Snapchat. For this, go ahead and launch open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. On your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This should open up your settings. Now scroll down and here find Session Management. Select that. You will now see a list of all the devices currently logged into your Snapchat account, including login time, device time, and location. Next to each device, you will find a cross icon. Go ahead and tap on that to log out of that device. Tap on the confirm option by selecting OK. Repeat this step for every device that you want to remove. Once done, only your current device will remain logged in. And in this way, you can easily log out of all the devices on Snapchat. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.